Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer iCloud Drive files to a new Apple device, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer iCloud Drive files to a new Apple device, start by ensuring your new device is properly set up. Turn on your new Apple device and follow the initial setup prompts until you reach the home screen. Next, make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi for a smooth transfer process. On your new device, open the Settings app. Sign in to your Apple ID using the same account you used on your old device. Once signed in, tap on your name at the top of the Settings menu. Select iCloud to access your iCloud settings. In the iCloud settings, enable iCloud Drive by toggling it on. After enabling iCloud Drive, launch the Files app on your new device. In the Files app, tap on Browse at the bottom of the screen. Select iCloud Drive from the locations listed. You should now see all the files and folders that were stored in iCloud Drive from your old device. If you cannot see your files immediately, wait a moment for the data to sync. You can also search for specific files using the search bar at the top. To download a file for offline use, tap on the file and select the download icon if it's not already downloaded. Once your files are accessible, you can organize them as needed within the Files app. If you want to transfer files from your old device directly, you may want to use the Quick Start feature during setup. This allows you to transfer data directly from your old device to the new one, including iCloud Drive files, visually guided through the process. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection and ensure you're logged into the correct Apple ID. Once the transfer is complete, you can enjoy all your files on your new Apple device without hassle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.